Good morning.
How are you?
Awesome.
What's your name?
My name Ayobami.
All right, what are we gonna do now?
Explore Nigeria, definitely Lagos.
Lovely, man.
Hola, yo me llamo Paco y soy de la India. My mission is to run around 40 countries by just using Bitcoin. Join along to see how I eat, live, travel with Bitcoin.
All right, where are we off to now?
Cool FM.
All right, let's go, man.
Let's go.
Thank you. Do you have Bitcoin?
I have. Get more. Exactly what he's going to say. Blockchain technology. We've had Chuta Chimeze here in the studio talking to us about blockchain technology. We've also had
This is one FM. They have Cool FM here. And then they have which one? This is which FM? Wazubia FM. Hi, how are you?
This is Wazubia.
This is another FM. So we were on the radio live and we just went a little toxic. But education is the key, right?
Education is the key. That's just it.
Yes.
From the old man that doesn't understand anything across politics, for the bankers that need to understand what the money really means, to that little child that is just leaving the secondary school or even still being in his primary school and still need to learn, education is the key.
And now we are off to?
We're trying to get to the Bitcoin ATM.
Have you been there?
Now.
Have you used one?
Never.
And we can't find it. It's not as per the map location. That's sick.
Daisy Lounge and Bar.
Hi. I'm looking for the Bitcoin ATM. Where is the Bitcoin ATM?
What did you say?
Is it the Blockstale?
So we had fun. We tried.
We literally traveled 30 minutes to come here, like to just find an ATM, and she's like, the lady is like,
all right,
hey.
Shungo.
And then the lady is just like, if you want, I'll sell it to you, but there's no ATM. I'm like, what a scam. Anyways, Coin ATM radar, please update your things, man. Not cool. Peace, ciao. We're gonna give her a Bitcoin sticker. Oh wow. Hello. How are you?
I'm fine.
Congratulations. This is it. How are you?
Fine, thank you. Nice to meet you.
Thank you so much. Hi, hello, how are you?
Meet my beautiful wife, Bami Taleh.
Alright.
Bami, meet my new friend, Paco.
So has anybody paid you here in Bitcoin?
No.
No.
Funny enough.
No.
This is Nigeria, so.
Okay, so no one yet.
No one yet.
Okay,
No
but
one
are
yet.
you open to accepting Bitcoin?
Hey, if it teaches me.
If you teach,
I've been teaching. Ask her. I've been teaching for God's sake.
you should definitely get it implemented, brother. You should. There's a gift from me from 1+1, 2+1 now. Thank you so much. See, this is them. They got married, huh? To Infinito.
De infinito.
Lovely, man. Wow. Oh, okay. Listen, hustle then chill.
Awesome.
What is this? What is this called, man?
This is fisherman's stew. Fisherman's soup.
Okay.
Yeah, well, and
Pandu. Alright.
right now. He gives me Bitcoin, and I'm gonna give him some Naira. That's how we
Lovely.
roll.
Alright, bro. Let's flash your wallet. I'm gonna go and do this, and I'm so excited because I didn't have enough cash, you know. And I was like, let's just use this, and why not? Humans are kind. Alright, let's scan you. Is it open?
All right, let me do that. 1 minute.
You got it?
All right, yeah.
So I'm gonna come down here. I'm just gonna type 200. Go to confirm amount. Right. PAX. Confirm amount. Network fee. I'll give you slow fee. Is it okay? Or do you want it immediately?
No, it can come anytime.
It's okay with you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Confirm fee. I'm paying 11 cents. 11 cents. Can you just imagine? So
That's
send.
funny.
And sent.
All right.
This is cool. The baby is coming through.
Yup.
And it's another 1 month away.
Bitcoin baby.
Bitcoin baby. So I was like, what can I share? And I just decided of sharing some Satoshis because it's a gift that keeps on giving gifts.
Mm-hmm.
And are you going to spend it or are you going to save it?
For God's sake, I'm keeping it for the baby.
We are saving it.
For the baby, man.
Awesome.
Yeah, sure.
Awesome. Let's go. Do you have a lightning wallet ready?
Yeah, sure.
Send.
Okay,
Receive. Awesome. Alright.
Okay.
It's gonna come to you soon, baby. And, ooh, bro.
What happened?
I paid it you on chain. That wasn't lightning. It was on chain. Oh, anyway, save it. I paid a very high fee of 2,000 sats, but you'll get it.
Wow. Okay.
You see, you should have a notification soon. Yep.
Yep.
And that is.
It's in.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Congratulations.
I appreciate
Thank you.
it.
We
Lovely.
appreciate it.
All right.
Hey.
Jump
Perfect.
knockers.
Hey.
Thank you.